As like Pixel Experience, Custom ROM has their alternative available called Pixel Experience Plus Edition, whereas Pixel Experience has no customizations, no features, or whereas Pixel Experience Plus Edition has some. Same with that, we have Lineageos alternatives available too. This one is Fork Lineage, which includes some extra features, which includes swipe to screenshot. First of all, we're going to take a quick look at all these things. We have the swipe to screenshot, which is quite useful as you need this. So of course, when you're using stock Android, you definitely need this. You don't want to use the keys, etc. Second thing which you need is the advanced restart in power menu, which is already included. Yes, you need this. You need to boot into recovery, you need to boot into fast boot mode, bootloader mode, wherever you want to boot. You need advanced restart option. That's available in Fork Lineage. I'm not sure if it is available in the Lineage OS, stock Lineage OS or not, but this is available here. But one thing is damn sure is not available in the Lineage OS official one is the app lock. App lock is also there. Face lock is there, which is not included in the Lineage OS. We have the fingerprint lock, we have the screen, everything. And yes, this is why this is one of the best thing, and this is also included in this Fork Lineage which we are talking about. Including that, a lot of users need this. I use third-party app for doing this network traffic monitor things, but if you need this, that's already included. You can customize a lot of things in this network traffic monitor. You have the option to customize the fonts, also font size. If you want to enable or disable these things, it's up to you. But including that, you can even customize that you need traffic indicator at the status bar or expanded header. I like maybe in quick settings panel starting at the top. It's up to you. But if you want to take a look at the status bar, as you can see, I have enabled that option. You also have the option to check out that you need upload plus download, or only upload, or only download, or dynamic. So yes, all these things are already there. So one of the most customizable things out there. It also includes some lock screen customizations for you. Like for example, you need music visualizer, that's option is present, and media cover art too. So these options are already present at lock screen, which you don't have by default in the Lineage OS. That's why you have the option called Fork Lineage. You need to install this build if you're a fan of Lineage OS and need some customizations, you need to try it out. Colors option is also there. I made a video already on Fork Lineage some time ago, and maybe many times I made a video, but we are focusing on features in this video, which I never did, so that's why we are here. We also have custom theming. Like if you don't want to use the wallpaper based theming, you have the option to use custom colors. So it's up to you if you need custom colors. You also have the pitch black theme. As I'm using unofficial build in Redmi Note 10 Pro, so there might be only 1 or 2% of differences with the official Fork Lineage OS, but I don't think so. There might be many, but you can give it a try if you want to. Official builds which are available for many devices, you can go and check it out. Battery stats, of course, you can reset if you want to, and battery usage you can check out from the last full charge instead of the 24 hours or etc. like the normal Pixel ones, if you already know. So these were the things which you have in the Fork Lineage, and if you want to install this thing, link is available in the description. And this is all from today's short and simple video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share this, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe me. I will see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through